Pespa Alumin oversees the complete technical development of each bioclimatic pergola, bringing together architects, engineers, and production experts to deliver precise, project-specific solutions. From structural design and material specification to production coordination, the studio ensures every system is optimized for functionality. Using custom-designed dies, aluminum alloy profiles are extruded with strict dimensional tolerances to meet exact product specifications. Every structure is supported by precise static and load-bearing calculations. Profiles undergo electrostatic powder coating in certified facilities. Each stage is inspected to meet stringent quality control standards. Aluminum profiles are cut to exact length using CNC-guided machinery to ensure clean joints and consistent module assembly. Complex components and accessories undergo advanced processing, CNC cutting, precision milling, drilling, threading, and fine-tuning, engineered for seamless integration. Every part is matched through precise calculations and finished with the same powder coating standards for a cohesive system. Whether structural or functional, each accessory is produced to exacting tolerances for smooth assembly and reliable performance. Final parts of the product are securely packaged and prepared for international transport, ensuring safe, on-time delivery to project sites across Europe and beyond.